they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me.
Kumanta kayo. Dalawa. Dalawa. Kasi pwede kumakambyo. Kumakambyo, kumakambyo. Sige, tuloy mo tayo tama yung tono mo. Learning to love yourself.
It is the greatest love of all.
Yes.
I believe the children are future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the
Masarap.
beauty they possess inside.
Give
Give them a
them.
sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children laughter. How we used
Oo,
to
nilagay ko.
be. I decided long ago I never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can take away my dignity. Because the greatest
Right.
is happening.
Hindi yan yun. On my own talaga. Taas, taas. On my own talaga. On my own.
Love all inside.
Taas yan, mataas yan.
Me. The greatest love of all.
Sige, tuloy niyo yan. Kaya mo yan. Mapapractice nyo rin yan.
Learning to love yourself. It is the greatest love of all.
And if by just a special place. Yan pa rin tono.
That you've been dreaming of.
Mataas yun. To a lonely place. Find your sweating love. Yun.
Thank you!
Yeah!
Thank you sa coach.
Okay.
Maraming salamat sa